In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to WooCommerce so that when someone orders something on your site, you get an instant notification on your WhatsApp as to what's been ordered and who ordered it. It's a little tricky to set up on the Facebook end when configuring WhatsApp, but I'll show you step by step how to do all of it in this video. So if you do what I do, you'll be good to go. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. Now let's get started. To create this workflow in Ottokit, all you have to do is type in the idea here and use AI to create it or to help get it started, or we can go do create from scratch. For this one, we're going to create from scratch because it's not that difficult to do. Here we give our workflow a name. I like to make them pretty descriptive because if you have multiple workflows in your account, you want to know at a glance which one does what. So this one we're going to call WooCommerce orders to WhatsApp notification. Then we'll click create. And this is our canvas. This is where we start. You can zoom in, zoom out, make it vertical, horizontal layout, all kinds of things. But the first thing you need to do is add a trigger. In this case, WooCommerce is going to be the trigger because we want to be notified when we have an order in WooCommerce. So let's click on add trigger and let's search for WooCommerce. I'm going to choose this first one right here. Need to select an event. The event will be, let's see, order created, order paid. Let's do order created. For the connection, we don't have one yet, so we have to click on create new connection to connect to our WooCommerce store. Here it says when you connect to a WordPress site, all plugins including WooCommerce on that site are automatically connected and can be used in your workflows. Sweet. To do this, install the Ottokit plugin. Okay, let's open up our website. Once inside the WordPress dashboard, head over to plugins and then add plugin. We're going to add or look for Ottokit. The way we want is this first one right here by Brainstorm Force. This is the same team that's behind the Astra theme, the Spectra plugin. They do lots and lots of great work in the WordPress community. And that's one way you know that Ottokit is great as well. 5 out of 5 stars, 90,000 plus installs, compatible with the current version of WordPress. Everything checks out. I'm going to click on install now. If you're doing this on a live website, you might want to back up your site first just in case something goes wrong. It's pretty rare these days, but just in case, it's great to have a backup. I'll link to the tutorial in the card up above to help you do that if you need help. Click on install now when you're ready and then activate. There's a nice little startup wizard here with the video. I'm going to click on get started now. Feel free to watch that other video as well to get even more information. This is now connecting to my Ottokit workspace because I'm logged into Ottokit and it detected that. Now all I have to do is click on authorize and connect. And that setup wizard was super short. That was it. Now we have Ottokit inside of the WordPress dashboard. It looks pretty similar to the Ottokit dashboard over here. So that's pretty cool. So we should have something showing up here now. Let's click on refresh over here. Then click on this drop down again. There's our website connection. Click on that. The continue button is now clickable. Let's click there. All right. Let's fetch data. We have to have an order event happen, which has happened recently. So we have this data fetched right here. If nothing showed up here, you would have to go into your website, go to WooCommerce, and then orders, click on add order and create a new order, or go through the checkout process on the front end to create a new order. This is a test, and then you'll have data in here. Once there's data that's been pulled, Ottokit will be happy. Then click on save, and we have our order created trigger ready to roll. Now that we have a trigger, we need to add at least one action. In this case, we're going to add the WhatsApp action through the WhatsApp Cloud API app. This is going to allow your WhatsApp to receive messages from Ottokit. We have to select an event right here. I'm going to choose send text message. We have to create a connection. I created this one in the past. I'm going to create a new one so I can walk you through the whole process. Create new connection. We need to have an access token, a phone number ID, and a WhatsApp business account ID. Here's how you get those things. Open a new tab. Go to developers.facebook.com. If you don't have a developer's account with Facebook yet, or with Meta, whatever you want to call them, you can sign up on this page. It's free. I'm already logged in, so it shows my apps up here. For you, it might show sign in or sign up if you don't have an account or if you're not signed in. Once you have a free account, click on my apps. This will take you to all the apps you've created. You may have 1, 2, 3, you might have 0. Totally fine. Click on create app in the top right corner to create a new one. Click on create app again. Something to keep in mind is that Facebook changes how they do stuff on the regular. Change menus, change names, change field names, change field locations. So if you're going through this even a week from now, it's not exactly the same. Facebook has changed something, but it's going to be something similar to this process I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to call this WooCom to WhatsApp WA for short. If I type out WhatsApp, Facebook will complain. Add your contact email address for the app. Click on next. For use cases, I'm going to click on all, and I'll scroll down and just choose other and then next. Now I choose business and next. The app name is pre-filled up here. So is the email address. We don't have to, but we can choose a business portfolio, as in a business account with Facebook. I'm going to choose that. It's optional. If you don't have one, totally fine. Click on create app. You have to re-enter your password. Now on this page, we choose which Facebook or Meta app we want to connect to. In this case, WhatsApp. Click on setup. Now we're going to click on start using the API. That takes us to API setup on the right hand side. I'm going to click on generate access token. Confirms who we are. Yep, that's good. I'm going to opt into the current WhatsApp accounts only. I'm going to select this. This was created just now by Facebook. This is nothing I did. This test WhatsApp business account was created with this process that we're doing right now. So select whatever it shows here for you, then click on continue, then click save, then click got it. A lot of buttons to click. Now we have an access token. Copy that, head back to Ottokit, paste it in the access token field. Now come back to here. We have to select a to phone number. This is where the messages are going to be sent to. This is my phone number. If you don't have one in this field yet, click on manage phone number list. You can add your phone number in. You have to enter a verification code that's sent to your WhatsApp app on your phone, and then your phone number will be connected. And then up here, we have a phone number ID. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste it right in there. And then we're going to copy the WhatsApp business account ID. Copy that. Paste that right in there. Then we're going to click on Connect WhatsApp API Cloud. WhatsApp API Cloud connected. Connection created successfully. Sweet. Click on Continue. Here we configured the phone number, which is the one we saw earlier, or didn't see since it was blurred out. And the message is going to be something related to this order up here. So if we type an @ we can see data from previous steps. Let's see what kind of data we get. Product ID, boring. Taxes, price includes taxes, boring. Let's see if we can search these fields. Let's see if we can find a name. Yep, there it is. First name. So and so bought at, let's see, product, assorted box of macaroons for at price, no, total, yeah, total. So this message is going to say, it's going to dynamically include the name of the person who ordered, the word bought, what they bought, the word for, and the cost. So in total, in this case, it's going to say Bjorn bought a box of assorted macaroons for 30 bucks. You can also have, at this point, a link into your WooCommerce store if you wanted. If you wanted to go right to the orders page, you can copy this link right here. Go to the orders page by clicking here or something like that. And you can go right to the orders page right from your WhatsApp message. Click on continue. Then we click on test action and shows action was tested successfully. This doesn't necessarily send a message, but it just makes sure that our connection to WhatsApp and Facebook is working properly. And the information that's collected down here can be used further on in workflows. This one only has 2 steps because we only have WooCommerce order created and then we send a WhatsApp message. But you can add a lot more steps to this automation if you wanted to. Now if we go into our website and we create an order, let's add a product here. Let's do this one. Click on add. Let's add a name. It's going to be my name. Click on create. As soon as this order is in the database, that's going to trigger our workflow inside of Ottokit. To see what happened, we then go to history. We can see it right here. So it's 10:37 right now. This fired at 10:36 and a half. If I click on view detailed history, we see a detailed history. You'd see a list of every time that this workflow is run. If I click on this, we can see more details. We can see all the information from WooCommerce. There's a lot. We can see the WhatsApp information down here, and that's all there is to it. Now, whenever WooCommerce order comes in, you'll be notified on your WhatsApp. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this playlist right up here, which is all the Ottokit videos I have on this channel. There's lots of automations that are super useful, and I bet some of them are going to be great for your business. So make sure you check out that playlist, and I will see you there.